Think of some of the best looking Hollywood movies, and I can tell you right now, guaranteed, they were graded in DaVinci Resolve. More and more people are becoming aware of the art of color grading, and there is literally no better time to join the movement. In today's market, color grading is the fastest way to set yourself apart. Colorists get paid more than any other job in post-production. Bad news is that color grading isn't easy. If it was, everybody would be doing it. Good news is that I've put together a masterclass. It is a 10 years worth of experience just trickled into this one course that's gonna take you from a beginner to a pro. And for a limited time only, I have a special offer on my masterclass starting May 5th through 12th. The price will rise as we get to the end. We have the fastest growing color grading community. 3,000 plus students have joined FCM in just about a year and a half. By signing up for the masterclass, you get access to 211 plus on-demand lessons, 100 gigs worth of professionally shot practice footage, exclusive Facebook community, weekly coaching videos, discounts on Film Convert and DaVinci Resolve Studio, and up to $1,000 cash prize for the FCM Challenge winner. If you're a modern day creator, a jack of all trade, this will help you set yourself apart from the rest. Knowing the limitations in post, how much push and pull you can do, will help you become a better cinematographer. It's a great tool that will help you convey your message clearly and concisely. The purpose of this course is to transform your hard skills into a sustainable freelance career. I want to get you results, period. After joining FCM, Jake was able to work with brands like DJI and Porsche. Cameron has worked with some of the top artists in the industry. Pratik is only 17 and has already worked on TV commercials for Nokia, Pampers, and tons of other brands in his country. These are just a few examples of hundreds of students that are achieving unimaginable results. Join and become part of the best color grading community out there. I'm so confident that I'm throwing in a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not happy, you can get your money back. You have absolutely nothing to lose. Click the link to sign up for the masterclass, and I cannot wait to see you in the course.